You can find her on YouTube, you can find her anywhere. She's a great revolutionist with music. Her music touches hearts and souls. That is what you can know about Ada Ehi. She is a born of Nigeria but sent to the whole world. We have an opportunity to host her. Expect her herself performing live in Kacheka, herself, not represented. She will be, she will sing together with our best artists here, among whom we have Happy Alex, Julie Soki. Mbarara konka hatari habwa Mbarara yonka ahabwa Western Uganda turamye hamwe so ninyita abantu bona mukikuro mushijo mukazi omwana musigazo omwana wishomero notari wishomero kwija tukahimisa mukama tukaramya mukama ekitinisa cya Ruhanga kikareba ibyebyo. So tinikumanya wakubaide chubuzo na wasa kutubuza yaba nabuza nyowe ninga nabuza CEO ninga nabuza teamage ya Spirit Media kwenda kubasa kwetegereza either habwawe ninga ahabwabo abatara hano abakwirene wenda kwetegereza umuramwogu n'eshungeje yitu konkanyo ni mangwa barya ko kwimsa no kwabsha ninga no kukushashura icya kabiri ngo no kwabajundwe bonka ningana n'abatajundwe nabo nibetwa kandi andikene kiyabanza naco icyo kubanza itwe hanuya okutwaza abajinyo mujeni kwaija tumushenjera two mbwe nitwe no twijantu baho mujenyo umujeni twamurita ngo abo wanyu so twabentu tutama twihaba mu mbana bukurugo mu Western Uganda twajangwe kitwaze tita icyo kubanza tukajyanga turebe ikintu twashingiye rumujeni wo kanyo ni njyangu kishikiri tatushabire konka kishikire mutukikore kuyamba icyo kubanza kuronde choncho tukachengera rumujeni wetu icya kabiri kikatuyamba omukutebeka nso kubona nyabashija ambakirize yo Kampala bakaba byumucyongera ngo ikintu kikome Kampala kigaruke najyanti 20 kibasa bajyangu itwe twinene cyaha ndabajyanti yo nakantu basina bikushashura sigare twino businje konka kandi twine tweta VIP no basakushashire mutware 5 ubase kubona kandi okurebererwa okurukusinga kwabandi wabo ryo mwanya ubwo kugira ngo ugire ubusinge ubundi nda kushitama ubundi nda kugira ukikira abana ubase kushashire mutware 5 kandi ubase kuzokwe ne mutware 5 kandi base kwijaka company ninga family kandi base kujaguza naco no mwogugundo kutwine ntwenda kujaguza buri muntu mu Western Uganda otwire nakora contribution antunguka yihanga ryitu so ubonoha no muntu ine cyakora kandi tujya mukwenda mutubase kubareba tuyambe ogure meza ya company yawe amtwara 50 emezejo neshita abantu batanu ubunda bebembezi ninga bo kubasa kuramba shire kushita mamezejo amtwara 50 then twantwetizi na lyanyu tukubashemererwaho tukubasima mube muri hihi n'abantu barebe muri gukora so emezene mtware 50 neshita abantu batanu kandi no basa kushitama na emitwaro 5 kandi ariyo na nechi tukweta tikete ya buje ya buryomo iyo mutwaro gumwe konka ikibuze cya kabiri cyankigira ngo uko kujaguza no kwimsa no kwabishemwe bonka ninga no kwa buri muntu wena na yakirwa umwanya uguka no kujaguza abo kubatine muntu ryo munseji uriyo muntu wa Sudani ine nango bunda abantu abo kuchikwata kubakagira ngo ina abantu abastane n'abaruhanga nyenda kuhamya omishoga kamera no bantu bona stane teine muntu wena stane tekagiraga muntu abantu bona n'abantu baruhanga so mwe nicyo kutubantu turamya tumangura umuntu waruhanga ashemeye kuramya ruhanga bible tuye kugira ngo yicenga tujundwe ni nkweta kweja kachika 2012.
This is Gerald. So my question is we are hosting an international artist and we've always had production issues with our local artists. So I know there was a gentleman who said he was a producer somewhere and the head of production. So we want assurance that we have an international artist and the production is going to be top notch, international standards. Yes.
I'll answer that. The production bit of it, that one is a must. That, of course, every artist comes with a technical rider. Every international artist always have their requests put down, the kind of equipment that actually you need to do. And we've realized that there is a gentleman who does most of the presets here. That's Q Vibes. So Q Vibes, at least he has done most of the presets. He's been doing another preset recently. So we'll have top-notch sound, stage, lighting, and screen. So in terms of production and the sound, the lighting, that what we want to ensure that actually she gets the best, because again, that's what she really wants as well. So if there are very many artists here, where before you go to a particular place, you always also ask for a few things before you actually come, so that at least your administration becomes a little bit easier and simpler for you. So that's what's up for now. Yes.
There was another question around.
Yes.
Western Uganda, gospel
the artists from West, again, in Kampala, when we bring a minister like this one, Spirit Media and Spirit Group, we've been dedicated to promoting our own local talents, Ugandan music, 100%. But we bring an artist like Ada to inspire our very own. As in, she has 1 million subscribers, million views, 10 million, 100 million different songs, 17 million. If you go to check through her music on her YouTube channel, so that means that actually she's at a particular level of administration. So we bring such an artist to also inspire our very own local artists. It does not profit us for us to bring her and then she only ministers and then to be in the same space. So ideally, the first thing was that we have to have our very own artists in Mbarara also exhibit their gift and also minister with her. Again, you very much well know there are particular people who don't come to our own local events when we organize them. But when they hear there is an international artist, the excitement, they will always come. So such kind of people, when they come, we want them to see that we have our very own as well here in Mbarara that are actually equally good or will be good eventually, but are very amazing ministers. So we can't do this with only her. So we have quite a list of them. We have, we have Emily Best, is also from here. Emily Best, yes. And also we have Julie Soki, we have Peterson Ma, we have Lady Diana, we have Happy Alex, Katie Mukiza, and also we'll have some of the artists that actually also, their music is loved here, that are from Kampala. Yeah. So we'll also have Joseph Ngoma, Twina Herbert, and also Exodus, amongst others. And again, the list of those that are here, I don't really think will be the only one to actually be ministering. So I know the team here has the best that is yet to come. We are about to see the best in Mbarara. Again, this event is going to be live on Spirit TV. So that means people in Kampala will be experiencing what is happening here live. So we want to push as more so that people do not just think that there are no artists in the Western Uganda. We want them to see the best that is in Mbarara. So we would really love to have as an amazing team of artists from here in Mbarara to minister with Ada on that same day. So it won't only be her alone. Hope I am answered.
Nanyenda kongera okachali yecho takatwire chindi abeshongozi ba Western Uganda nibakundana n'abeshongozi abo kuburenjiri kurwo mu zone abandi batayi babo nibo benyine abariyo nibakira omujenyobi kandi bo benyine okuza kusinga yo nangwa no kuhereza no kweshongora. So twasireho bace twabarangamu konka bingi baza kwa nibeshongora buyagamba. Okay, ba Happy Alex, Peterson MA, Best Emily, Julie Soki nibaza kuba nibahereza ubwisireho n'abandi abariyo batebekanisa mwene nikiza kuba kiri imbaga y'amani mnonga atagira abaferi.
Mwebari mnonga amazina n'abantu takabuze kandi nashimira kuba umwanya Munonga umeshonga mkuru munonga ya adi ya kiri leo chibuza cyane cy'ikiti mbasa kuba mwiza kujya mu autorité cy'intechi rero mwaheza mukati ati mwaheza garakayo arrangement y'ukwenda gukora kugira ngo kintuncarira kugira amani umwana yakijwara yamanye cy'inkijo mwisho ino kumwakitebekanise ningana mu ndacyo mbere kandi kindi ahashonga yabeshongese n'undi mushongezo wa gospel kompatini post tucyakuteganisibwa abamabeshongezi barahaha kandi aposta tucyakuteganisibwa izo mu kintu kenshi mucyengeramu ishahi kikayeni yuza waka hariya byose kure watanga kusenti sakati atendo bito shanga wagiye mu kintu kandi no kuwakiganyirwa so ndikumanya icyo ntera mu ndero mutangaze ukirabe kiri n'abantu barabenza batumanya barya bitu bataratubere ko kora ninga haza kukahaze ko kora arasitaho n'abari mu
now the bit about the artists performing there, whether you're on the poster or you're not on the poster, there is an organizing team here. Again, people who are entirely running the event are not us, it is the team here. So you won't see me backstage trying to, because it will be a lie if I stand and then get to say you're not going to perform. I don't know you very well. I have not encountered you very well, though. But again, the team here is entirely responsible for everyone who is going on stage. So for us, like Pastor Ditas here saying, we're just the team that is just escorting and empowering the team here to organize our very own event. So the artists that are not on the poster, it does not mean that you're not going to perform. No, you will perform. I know the team has a plan for that. They said there are very more artists than the ones that are here. So there should be at least identification, will be tags for artists, will be accesses for artists. At least an artist, every artist should be able to access that event for free as an artist, first of all. Then those that will perform, also the team knows when and how. Again, like I said, the most important thing is not just to have a performing goal. We want to exhibit the best of the gospel artists and ministers that we have. We are very passionate at Spirit for that. We rather do an event if it goes as long as almost at least most of the most amazing artists the world has really had them and they've had an opportunity to minister. Those things keep happening here and ever again, but the events that we are involved in as Spirit Media, no artist that is supposed to minister that is known earlier actually gets to be missed or misses to minister. So again, because at the end of the day, she will go and then will remain with you. The next time we will come and then you say, so we have to be in your good books, we have to be again at the same time, we have to serve Jesus with you. It is not about the secular events that are crazy. For us, it's about really serving Jesus.
Icyetengo cyitu kikaba kiri icyo kugira ngo twakubahereza umundogo mukamwakirira abantu bitu munyene nyena nimbashaba icyo tubanze twakicenge njija kushobora byinji oguwishemwe ningasho mcharara ngo ada to me tindukumuletera Peterson MA Peterson namanyamukama naho rebye shobora bye namanyaki namanyamukama tindukumuletera best Emily Patrick tindukumuletera Julie Soki nimuletera mawe urkanungu nimuletera mwine tata urushere nimuletera mwine mawe urishaka urena ronda amasiko konka hine bingonze mwetoriri mwene kinakozire nko kumukumanye ekibeto kerezo umuntu muzi kanka ryo kamango wahita ko muzi kandi inamani ningo bushoborozo mukama muhire kandi obwirireyo tuko nkija hanu yanashaba abanyambara najya nkatwabaho mu gishogo mukagwakira ahabwa abantu beitu numunkwata bagira ngo buzimazima nitugwakira hati nk'abantu abashitamyaha baryaha kuba bamwe umuryabo abo kutebekanisa inada wazembaga ne yawe kugitebekanisa okujabuza no kwawe kugira ki kutebekanisa iwo kora abe nonda kwe kwatishaga niyo kubawe kwatishaga konka kora atebekanisa wagira uti niza kuzana umwanyo noza kuzana kandi mbihamiza twine mu buryari imwe akuba itwe na egitimu muragirebera hanoya nagireta hano kubahamya ngo ikintu tukakibahereza nimwe muri mu kitebekaniza program y'izobere neza korwa nteja korwa a Spirit Media Group munyine mbija gireta tujahajana okutura orajare no orajare kino orajare taga no tarajare nimwe mkwija kubathereza ekiniyo ni impamya mutaka mutwikirezemo nimwe mukutebekaniza omugeni no mugeni wanyu abakampara ba mwine 2011 na 2012 mugongo gwitu ne kuturema neza kuturema baneza kubarema mwaje barekera nyo nani mbashaba nambwe nerizo mwe mbageje mugireki mujakire turahamwe so aho naiza gambe byo mugite hebi yagamba rero hatorebe ati tuntuja kushara muntu jango ubu ntwara korecho ntwara korecho ntwara korechi buri umuntu kwara chikore ukwara chigambo kuturasharemu nuko ibintu kwija kugenda of course twija kwano bwinji then tugenda mishukurunje ino wana buza ya tesolution then tubone kuzenye
bandita Peter Simbimbe kandi nashimira kubaha cyo kubanza nenda kubaha murayikwisha nakina shwa mu matugara n'amatsiko agukwakira umeza aho ya bijo byanje ni kabibi tikumanya mwana wanje king of because wagamba Uganda yona ni kubarira mu kisoro ni kubarira mu katuna ni kubarira mu kabari na nyakaro kaniwe president wa Buswa ati so Uganda now kandi bakafutora n'abakutera katuberebera hati titukatungaga eni kuganira ni uko besho ko mukarida umushongo rwabishongozi ba gospel now hati twakureba wija or under Spirit TV and ministries now will you have time to explain about our ministry of gospel in Uganda or wija about that then why is that ke bunino yeta president of this party chakasha nitunda kusima details. Thank you very much for this. Echechi ogomchara abinji ibasa kuba bahari ibintu ebi bakuforo mukaba yando mman ogomchara kazaniyo kayara mnanari baba funu bakwimpongo gari abichuga nyekadati so nyoni impurana aba so humble to stand. Think of it international, but I believe God is going to take it. Think of it because Rwanda, I believe. So this is a very big opportunity to stand on the same part with this anointed lady. Not a poster. Naza kuanza no question with the application. Mukama wanchi.
Let me agree with that real quick. First of all, I don't know how to say it, but I for purposes of that, not everyone here in the room is a gospel artist. Being the PO of the federation, that at least a day tomorrow we should find a way. That at least we organized, at least if I could meet most of the artists. I tell you this, there are quite a lot of amazing programs, quite a lot of things in my mind, but also before, I'd want to learn and understand the ministers here. Again, this is my second time here in Mbarara. The first time was through the night. I didn't even meet most people, but now that we are here for this, it is so. It would be very amazing if by the time you go to minister on stage, I know you personally. You get that? I do not know many artists here in Mbarara. I've just heard about most of you. But again, as Spirit Media and where we come from, my purpose for the last 20 years has been to promote ministers, to promote artists, to promote our gospel content. Partly is why now I was voted into the Federation office, so that I can continue doing that. Now, I know there are very many regions. There is Western Uganda, Eastern Uganda, Northern Uganda, and so much so forth. But I feel like my mandate is to, with the leadership here of the artists here in Mbarara, I request, and I'm still here, tomorrow I would love and so much more to meet at least some of the artists that will be able to come. There are very many issues that you have, very many questions that are not answered that I would love to answer. Those that I can't, I'll just forward them to God as well. Also a human being. So I have some of the answers, some Jesus has. And if we fail to get the answers, we'll pray together and we'll always get those answers. So as a leader, it is important that I look for everyone where they are and put them together. Partly I was so excited when he actually became the CEO. Then I knew the region is balanced as well. We will have more. So this event here is also to introduce the beautiful talent that is here for us to be able to see and for the world to see. But I promise you this in front of camera, that we are going to start to play and include music from here, the videos that are here, and put them on our media platforms. That's Spirit FM and Spirit TV. So, and the rest I really have to answer that tomorrow. How I pray that we can avail some time and have that meeting, even if it's just 1 hour. It will be so beautiful for me. And I can't go without meeting you.
Then to say you mouth career, then to caution or page.
Thank you. On the issue of the gospel artists that are not on the poster, as a social media activist, I'm representing them. We need more content. Why not the person who is making artwork make the personalized artwork as a social media influencers? If I'm posting that poster with Peterson alone, I'm going to talk about Peterson and his influence to the event. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Natural Rachel. Na nishaba nkokuna nagambire again. Ntomukolo yona nishaba mugwachiye mwe nishaba mutuzari mukamuita simu. Spirit Media tumutuzara. Then matuzara eje okokole koko nyoni nye na ashabire. Ngenzarwa ya hanu nkagenda nagira ki nashaba mukushaba ahabwitu. Yona ishamu cyakire kumurabe mu cyakire ebyo bitekateko byo na mwana murandi bukora tubitaru papura tugire ki tubi implementing tutwetaga kuza kutera kondi kampara ito tubikore wandisebo
muri bari munonga cyama nito wa Western Gospel artist na Wilson n'umwana mugayo muri bari munonga teko mutekateka yo gumushishi otwasa kujumu Western Nukabesha muzwa gospel kushimira kwa mulonga kugira ngo tubasa kugera kitwa tapinga mu ishunguzo kabasa kugera mu kure level kitwa benu time ya Kampala babashimirwa kandi bakora umusinga kwemerera na nemwe ukareba ngo uwo mukoro gwa mani murugayo nta kibanya akayaturetire tina habati Nime mu banze yaguze tickets z'indwari itanu VIP zabikira yo guyi. So ni yangu gospel artists Western ni twatanisa kandi twini mitima. So ngabiri ningira ngo abababuze ngo abatari yaposta bomba basafu question ngo nindega ngo twena ko barayishungura. Tunanye nankigarike. Abo Western amabesho muziba kurenga abantu kumutwaro babesho hati no bakubateka ko gashayi makati kujya mu busheshe bona tubakakora ki mwene nyunani mbare mu kujya mu bona tubarakore onka bache abatari ya costa no baza kwishu then nani mirango no bako batari abesho muziba gospel bine mu aba media bine mu radio presenters nabontu basema nabatukora mu muhango no akwa kiko mara koma kugasya kandi bo bagongerayo so naboni basima mulonga kurangura bo tubino mwanyo baza kugira ngo event yitu yatambaraje mulonga nahandi umfanya ngo mukama naza ko muhezi witu kacyekaneza kwishura tuza kuvuga abantu baza kukira n'ibirema bitambure nitu tutambura amahanga ko kwatambura amahanga
Gwabari mnogo wishemwe mazima mukama kumvisha twakuza uryo nyuma maybe cyane ndagamba ci yagamba nanisha bano turiyo tubashanga umutebekanise bishe mwe nimbe hanangiriza mutebwa turiyo tujezo kutunda ihanga ryitu ningambe rya Western Uganda to the rest of the world ubwo mukaza kutora kamera nzimukurata mwe nitwe nanisha muteke cake ndunji numuncenga eriyizoba eziyande reba mwene cyera rebe cona kibe kizireki cyubuniye mwene nanisha mucencure mwene tworeke Western Uganda niwe wakubire ndongereki ona tuchirunji so nimo mutebekanisa konka mugereki tutebekanise cake ndunji ekoreka ki Western Uganda.
Yes, Mbarara Uganda. I first thank Spirit TV for bedding down of the edition the first one of its kind in Western Uganda. And I would wish to encourage you, John Tapuma Decho. Mukwatana yusuke ya kunya kumunjene crossing to the other side. Kamasina and Timmy. My concern is more Africa. This is the team from Kampala that is organizing. It would be better for young team. Some of us but for the purposes of the media, I'm now going to try to talk and then talk and team then another thing, it would be better to notify the artists that are supposed to sing in time for proper preparations, rather than someone coming, knowing that it's going to present, then that person goes back being disappointed. Otherwise, someone to know but enjoys the show knowing that I'm not going to perform. Thank you so much.
I think we'll ask that, right? Yes.
Mbarara Uganda. Abashongozi n'abanyamahuriro national Uganda basa kwadelinga press conference eji. Amazina kuna naye yanzuye n'abanyeta Brother Wilson kandi chairman wa Western Uganda Gospel Artist Mission. Kandi ninkundo hereza na n'ebintu bitero kuna nabagambire. Nine buzo bw'ikabishatu n'abanyenda kumanya habaho chipondi orwa ba media nangashabanye mahurire ukubasa kubamanyisa like kugira ngo ebinte twakugamba mwabe recording lepshan mwabitera numuza kubukoze samutabyari exactly kakora takora sorry abakora abamwana babine kora yawo byuma inento aze yakutamza babituye byetagwa gukora byari byetagwa kukozesa emungeje kumanya ngira uchikwata unaza shobora yibara chikose nganga agaraka meeting abo kuba tose tufuna press conferences kezi uko sango umuntu yarugahana videos z'ebshani ya uka hataro hongere yarakoze sembe bitebye mutendereki ecyakabiri speed TV nindeba ne koma kulia tikumanya yote kubasa kushika kunuya aha mechwasa kwa chiri programs za management kubiya tukagera yo TV ndisho kugira ngo ebinteye nayo eka airing live umushaka tugire tikumanya banisha zingo kat list hakabaho bwiro bya airing umukoro live eri akunuye mu Western Uganda nyankora chega dene chindi twagamba eventage kunka kuna kubantahura kubitarahura mesha nitandaka sha zingahi kandi ne kumasha zinga umutwe yakwa nainda kuruga ashaka umutwe yakwa nainda kuruga rubare aijo musha zinga ishone tandaka sha zinga kandi kwa sha zinga mwebare no
webare chairman kama kumukisha kwenda gutafya rwebuze muje kwikiza tumedwa kamangu kicumwe echo kubanza uko kujabuza ko kwimsa mukamani kwija kutandika shamukaga zihangwe kandi tukabe twenda of course to okuchira munonga bishemo twundo mushana mwetu atwenda kuzaza kubashaha hakire mwene cyo kibiri twembwe n'ubutumwe cyahwire kwenyine kandi tugaruka umuka abantu base kutambura kare jangwana gahishaka dunga mu kabare noza kubisha tabe yataye kandi ubwire butakagenze so ukutandikana na shaha mukaga gets zikwa zikwireka cheka turukutahamu ichkwatagine na Spirit Media Group nyoni tekateka ngo ukunko mukamara kutandika niko mukamara kugira ki umukago ogwatandika nyoni ndeba ngo tugukwija koma hanuya rangana ija kutwara then cha TV yakuya ku ibintu kubyoreka nyumushana nitingambe byerizo ningambe ebyizo biri 12 byo ku 11 mushi kacheka keye kanyuma ativuza kwenda uchi embagere kuri nyoni njango okuba mwata TV numwa muryazamanye so nyoni njango buri yomwe aje kacheka umukishayi twena tujaguze twimise izina lya mukama lihimsuru echikwatagine n'abeshobozi ba Western Uganda kubatwara kuri ya ningashi at least ahitwina mani mukamanje ninjamurire. People are asking, are there any thoughts to have Western gospel artists playing also beyond the borders of Western Uganda in Kampala, at least as far as the influence of Spirit Media is concerned? Yoni tekateka munaza kuchitekateka ukani yachura rero naija kutugambe cha kuchitekateka. So yampamiza buzimazima ngwiki n'ekintu ekiri omutuma gw'omunonga kandi ekyo nateekateekaho kandi kwatanisana na manager Wesley nibija kurebeka ngu ekintu ekyo kyakikira. Sorry hariho wabanza then uriya okay. Yambe kutwara ubutumwa ubu ubusya abantu beitu bona ba Western Uganda ngo bije kaceka 2012 byo ku 11 kutandika na shaha mukaga bije twimise kandi turamye twimise mukama mu Western Uganda n'umujenyi witu mukuru ada ehi nico turi kubashaba kandi abeshongozi n'abandi ba art bona ndubashaba nimwe kumwikiriza kukozesa ubushobozi bw'uburanga bahire kutwara injireji n'ingashomura mogu gwisi y'abantu bona umwihanga ryiteye musasereho babagizere gutwanjure bamwe abebembeza butwine kunuya umuntu uri kwebembera entebe kanisa hanuya utwashabire kandi akikiriza no mwami Ronald eco kubanza kantandi cyende urkwebembere cyo tukacaba barisa bamakanisa benji bikiriza batumisha tino twakashire buryo muko kabenja butoshire bona bikiriza tutagira bajya bakutwasa nubo batira abantu twasha abutwi abahendizire beyire mwakachiko utwabitizajya ati nabaho planning nawo bashita mabayirende mwakachiko kebembirwa mwami Ronald Mugaye kamshaba emerre muri uwo mwami Ronald Mugayo akachiko kakamutorera yikiriza ayino abandi akachiko ku kari kanyanjuro ubwo naje kubore kabandi barumu ba Mr Bukenya orahania nabasa kwemerwa no murebe then nibija kubanjura abandi kandi nikatwaro tutwaye buzo binga ikweze kubanja nikatware bibiri ugobuna n'umwami yogo ogo baba muburize nikatware cyane
okay wala mnonga turapata kintu kimpasha abanyamakuru twakigitamo abashongozi bineshonga zabo ziza kwenda kubuza echamazima mbazimo wa meetinga wapata press conference y'abanyamakuru ukagikita n'abashongozi tuzakorara hano ecyakandi mubwo mu bya history zaki ecyakeka nuki beno mu rujungu muteka brief kaki niki kikuza ibya mutu briefing niki kikuza kuba brief in English mubwo mu za history banje so akija mama
Murechatu uroga bishemwe katuroga
kama simu amazina ganyirinyi bintu Yesu umucigo tafuyo umuco muzwa gospel kile kingo da kubuza kureka nizima mukama bugu mwisho muzo akwanga ni umutima kwa nyino kwicuza kwa mudahara ribatisha ndi hebi gera nyino mukama ni nyino kwa nyino ni biye against Mbarara Uganda 12th nishaha za anuye roka bashabukaza Atizalira washahemu. Haperale hagarama. N'umugore washaka.
Icyo kije kubasika mbwenu reka bwe bari munonga katugarice hano yatukumarira icyo kubanza twahurira president yashaba ngo abeshonguzi bakurebana nyencha kare katugarice mbi amakuru baba tubuze ngo amakuru twakubareba ryari twandisha ngo twaheza tuje kusigara nabo kumanya ubija kozesa information y'ibiri hano ya so hatukatumarize n'ibyo makuru then tuhendere two
bwana shinte kiyabuza brother Wilson tumune tumitinga nimureka tugende tukora umurimo gw'itu because ntumaye cyo gukora none don't meet us don't meet us let's go do our presentation
okay, let's keep quiet so we finish.
Yes.
The people of Western Uganda, we are delighted to come and visit Western Uganda as Spirit Media Group. We have come bringing good news with our gospel sensational artist, Ada Ehi. She is an international gospel musician. She has touched hearts all over the world. She sings and the lame walk, miracles happen, people are transformed, and we know all her songs, several of which we can get anywhere on YouTube, our radio stations, our churches play them all the time. Ada Ehi will be visiting Western Uganda, specifically at Kacheka Stadium on the 12th of November, starting at noon, 12 p.m., all the way to evening. We invite every one of us from all over Western Uganda to come and be part of this celebration. We are doing it in partnership with churches, especially in Mbarara. We are working together to bring this praise sensation in our region. We ask that you freely pay 10,000 Uganda shillings to get your ticket. Tickets are already around, they are selling around. We have some at Frisco Supermarket, we have some at Shell Ankole, we have some at Grace Radio, we have some at Glory FM, we have some at King of Kings Church, and also at Holy Spirit Church, and we shall have very many more selling points in the region for you to be able to access them. A ticket again goes for 10,000 Uganda shillings, VIP 50,000 shillings, and a table at 500,000 shillings. We invite you to come many, and this good news we have decided to give you. May the Lord bless you, that you come and have a great time with us. He is a great gospel sensation. You can find her on YouTube, you can find her anywhere. She's a great revolutionist with music. Her music touches hearts and souls. That is what you can know about Ada Ehi. She is a born of Nigeria but sent to the whole world. We have an opportunity to host her. Expect her herself performing live in Kacheka herself, not represented. She will be, she will sing together with our best artists here, among whom we have Happy Alex, Julie Soki, Best Emily, Peterson M.A. But we shall also have some of the best gospel artists also in Uganda. Many of them that are stationed in Kampala, like Exodus. We shall have Twina Hubbard, and Joseph Ngoma. Expect the best of praise and worship, the best of music, the best of hip hop that is gospel and glorifies the name of the Lord, yet soul touching and relieving to life. That is what we'll have on the 12th of November in Kacheka. You can't miss it.
Nina mani, no zakukakasa ngo nina mani.